Hello my dear students, in this lecture we are going to see introduction of clutch. Now first of all, understand the meaning of clutch. Now clutch is used to connect or disconnect the source of power from the remaining parts of power transmission at the will of operator. Now here schematic of the arrangement is given for power transmission. Now here it is a engine which is power producing device. This power producing device which is called engine, this device you are going to see in thermodynamics, right? In IC engine topic, that is one of the topic from thermodynamics, that is IC engine. In this topic you are going to see the power produced by this engine, right? Now this power I need to transfer to the wheels of this vehicle. Let us say here there are wheels of vehicle, right? Now my target is to transfer this power to the wheels so that vehicle can move, right? For this purpose here clutch is used. Here it is a clutch in between, it is a clutch, right? Now it may be a friction clutch or jaw clutch, that we will see in types of clutches. In next lecture we will see types of clutches, right? Now from clutch the power goes to the gearbox. Here it is a gearbox where the speed reduction or speed increase is done, right? It may be a speed in, or it may be a velocity increasing gearbox or velocity decreasing gearbox, or maybe a simply power transmitting gearbox without changing the speed or velocity. Now from gearbox the power will transmit through the propeller shaft. Here it is a propeller shaft, right? It is a propeller shaft. Now from propeller shaft power goes to the differential. From propeller shaft power goes to the differential, and from differential the power goes to the wheels so that vehicle can move. Now if clutch is applied while running the vehicle, if clutch is applied, then power is disconnected between engine and other remaining parts of vehicle. This is the purpose of clutch. And whenever clutch is not applied, if we don't apply clutch, then power is transmitted between engine and other parts of the vehicle, right? This is the purpose of clutch. Means clutch is used to connect or disconnect the source of power, that is engine, from remaining rest all parts of the machine, right? Or any other device in which we need to transfer the power. This is a simple understanding of clutch. Now we will understand the location of clutch, means where clutch must be installed, right? Here the enlarged view of clutch is shown. This is clutch here, right? Now here it is a power producing device which is called engine. Now in enlarged view of clutch is shown here. This total arrangement is called clutch. This total arrangement bracket is called clutch, right? This is a clutch here. Now for this clutch, here it is a fixed disc and one disc is movable disc, right? Now here it is a fixed disc of clutch, and here it is a movable disc of clutch, movable disc of clutch. Now this movable disc can move in both direction. It can move towards right as well as towards left, right? Now this clutch is always connected to the high speed side. The location of this clutch is always to the high speed side. High speed side, we will see why this is connected to the high speed side, right? Now here on this clutch there are friction lining. On this clutch here there are friction lining. If it is a friction clutch, right, here there are friction lining or friction material, friction lining or friction material also we can say, right? Now here it is spline shaft, and this spline shaft is always connected to the low speed side. This is spline shaft which is always connected to low speed side, low speed side, right? Now then from spline shaft the power goes to the gearbox. Here it is a gearbox, and from gearbox the power goes to the load where we need to transfer the power. Means here it may be having wheels. If it is vehicle it may be having wheels, or if it is not vehicle then any other load device here, right? Now why the clutch is connected to the high speed side, that we have to see. Clutch is always connected to high speed side. this clutch is always connected to high speed side, because see, power transmitted, power is nothing but 2 pi nt upon 60. This is the formula to transfer power is equal to 2 pi nt upon 60. Therefore here 2 is constant, pi is constant divided by 60, this is constant. Therefore can I say power is directly proportional to product of speed and torque, where n is speed in rpm, revolution per minute, and t is torque, which is nothing but force into perpendicular radius, which is nothing but force into radius, right? Now therefore can I say power is directly proportional to product of speed and torque. Therefore for power to be constant, if I increase speed, if speed increases, then can I say torque decreases. Now torque is nothing but force into radius. Now as torque decreases, can I say radius also goes on decreasing, radius required for the clutch is also going on decreasing. Therefore as torque decreases, radius also goes on decreasing, and as the radius goes on decreasing, the size of clutch goes on decreasing. Size of clutch goes on decreasing means clutch becomes compact. Clutch becomes compact means whenever clutch is installed on high speed side, then size of clutch required is less, so that clutch becomes compact. Therefore clutch is always installed on high speed side. Thank you dear students. In next lecture we will see different types of clutches.